Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this moist carrot banana bread. Here is a list of all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. I have 2 medium-sized eggs. I remove the eyes. I have my teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I have salt to taste. I have 1 teaspoon baking soda. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have my shredded carrots. I shredded one bigger than the other. I have my vanilla. I have my half a cup of sugar. You can use more or less. I have quarter cup of vegetable oil. You can always use the oil of your choice. And I have 2 speckled bananas. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. So here I am adding my cinnamon powder, salt, and baking soda. Afterwards, I'm going to give it a good whisk just to combine them together, and then I'm going to set it aside. So now I'm going to add my ripe bananas into the bowl. Afterwards, I'm going to use a fork to mash them. You can always use a fork if you like, or if you want to use a masher as well. But ensure that you mash them to how you like it. I like mine with a little chunk. You can do it that way, or if you want to do it fully baby food texture, you can as well. Alright, just do it the way you want, or if you want to blend your bananas, you can always just blend all the dry ingredients together, then you add your flour and you add your carrots, so you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. After I'm finished mashing the bananas, I'm going to add my eggs. So I remove the eyes from the eggs. Reason: it makes the banana bread raw, taste eggy, have a raw taste. Alright, but if you don't want to remove it, you can always leave it. Afterwards, I'm going to add my half a cup of sugar. Then I'm going to give it a good mix. After I add the oil, so I'm using vegetable oil. I can use the oil of your choice, or if you want to use melted butter. I also added my vanilla, which is a teaspoon. After I finish adding them, as I said before, I'm going to give them a good whisk to combine all the ingredients together. Afterwards, I'm going to add my carrots. So pertaining to the ingredients, you can always add some raisins, you can add some walnuts, you can add whatever you want to add to it. Alright, this is just what I like to add to mine. If you are still here watching me and you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and join the family. If you're new, welcome to Tamara's recipe. Please remember to give this recipe a try. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it. Also share this video, thumbs it up, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment, as I love to hear from you. So now I'm going to gradually add my flour mixture. So when you're going to mix, you gently mix it so that you do not over mix the batter. While you are mixing, it may seem dry after you add all the flour, but just keep mixing, it will become moist. But if you want to add a little milk, like even 2 teaspoons or so, you can. I just don't like to add milk to mine, but if you want to add it to yours, it's your banana carrot bread. So do what you want to do with it, alright? This is just how I make mine, so I'm just sharing how I make it. At this point, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. You know, at times when I'm using a whisk, there might be more flour in the bowl, so I'm going to stop using the whisk and use a spatula to finish mixing it. It is finished mixing, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grease my baking pan and line it with parchment paper, and then I return. So if you don't have parchment paper, you can always do some flour, or you can just grease it and just add your butter. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to add the butter into it. So ensure that you scrape out all of the butter. Alright guys, you need all of it to make a banana carrot bread. I don't like to waste things, alright, so that's why I'm scraping out my bowl. After you are finished adding the butter, use a spatula or spoon to spread the butter evenly in the pan. Then I'm going to tap it to remove air bubbles and also to let it be fully leveled. Place your banana carrot bread into the preheated oven and let it bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So my banana carrot bread is all done, and as you can see guys, it is very soft. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for stopping by guys. I do appreciate you watching and supporting my channel. Please continue to do so as I try my best to make creative, interesting and delicious tasty recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.